Welcome everyone to the presentation on paper entitled Catalyst Camera Transformations for Multilingual Scene Text Recognition. Here is the link to our work. My name is Rohit Saluja and I will be presenting this work to you today. We will begin by talking about motivation for the work on camera transformations, the Catalyst D dataset, which we create to test different models on videos containing these camera transformations, Alchemist synthesizer, which we created to generate videos similar to our dataset, Catalyst model, and finally the results of Catalyst model on these datasets. Let's begin with motivation for the work. Here we show a simple bilingual video exhibiting pan. In this slide, we show the performance of current model E2E MLT, which is trained end-to-end on scene images. We show frame number on x-axis and character accuracy on y-axis. As we can see, when we pass different frames from this video through the current model, the accuracy is not constant. So the model is not stable towards different frames in the video, although these frames look similar. We observe similar trend in another model. In contrast, our model has lesser standard deviation and higher mean for these different frames. And the output is also more stable. So let's talk about the Catalyst D dataset which we create. Here is the setup. We take a camera on a tripod and a skating board to record translations. The other camera transformations are achieved through the tripod. We set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and the FPS for every video is 25. Here is a sample exhibiting zoom in. We also record zoom out. A sample exhibiting roll is on the right. We also record roll in anti-clockwise direction. Here is another example exhibiting tilt, exhibiting pan, and finally an example exhibiting translation. We have around 200 videos for each category of different types of translation shown here. For example, for translation, we have around 200 videos from left to right, 200 videos from right to left, from bottom to up, and top to bottom. Similarly, we have roll in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. That's why we have total of around 400 videos. And similar trend is there for tilt, pan, and zoom videos. In total, we observe that we have around 2309 videos. Now we discuss the Alchemist synthesizer, which generate similar videos, as we will shortly see. To obtain these videos, we collect synthetic scene images and we take a rectangular region which is shown in green here. In that image, it will become clear shortly. We take 4 equidistant points from the corners of these rectangles. For this pan video, these 4 points will form a trapezium. For instance, you can think about the dark blue trapezium shown in this image. Now we obtain the homography between one of the trapezium and rectangle and create the first frame of our video as shown in the image on the right. We use warping of the region within the trapezium to make it look rectangular like the region shown in the rectangle. We do it for different frames. The distance between the corners of trapeziums and rectangle are different for different frames, and that's how we obtain a video like this. As we can see, this video exhibit pan similar to Catalyst T dataset. We use different kinds of homographies to create videos with different kinds of transformations. Here are the samples for 5 types of transformations discussed before. We generate around 12,000 such videos, and for each video at every frame, we have multiple levels of bounding boxes. For example, here the blue rectangle represents the bounding box at line level. The green rectangles, which are visible for words in third line and onwards, represent the word level bounding box. The green boxes are also present for first 2 lines, but they are same as blue boxes, that's why they are not visible. And we also have conjunct character level bounding boxes for Indian languages or character level bounding boxes for English in red color. Here is another example with similar boxes. Next, we discuss about the Catalyst model. We used to train on combination of Catalyst T dataset and Alchemist dataset. We use Inception ResNet v2 to extract features and we split them. The reason we split them is because we work on multi-head attention model. Just for computation purpose, we split them. We add location awareness to our model, similar to Wujna et al. We use one-hot encoded vectors of dimension other than depth and append to these features. Finally, we use multi-head attention to learn different concepts. For example, we want the first mask in blue to learn line level attention. The mask in green is enforced to lie within the line mask shown in blue by hard coding, and the mask in red is enforced to lie within the word mask shown in green via hard coding. And finally, we provide end-to-end supervision to this model. We also use supervised attention for Alchemist samples as shown in different colors here. Here are the results of our model as compared to OCR on the Go model. We test our model on handheld videos, which are shared in OCR on the Go work. As shown, the character accuracy improves by 30% just by using similar model, but our Catalyst and Alchemist dataset, which we represent here as Catalyst all. Similarly, we observe a huge gain in sequence accuracy of 66%. By providing supervision to the 3 hard-coded masks, we further observe slight gains. We observe that our model performs similarly on the Catalyst D dataset, and although the OCR on the GOAT dataset is collected with handheld mobile phone, cell phone, still the performance of our model on both these datasets are similar. Here are sample results showing frame-wise character level accuracy on a video exhibiting zoom. Again, we observe a higher character accuracy and lesser standard deviation in comparison to other models. Here is another example exhibiting translation. We can notice the similar trend here. Here is example exhibiting tilt. And finally, an example exhibiting extreme degrees of roll. In this particular example, our model is slightly unstable at initial few frames, but overall it's better than other two made models. So with this, we come to the end of presentation. Thank you so much. Feel free to visit our website or reach out to us. We are happy to take any questions if you have. Thank you so much.